Hey guys, I'm gonna show how to connect Microsoft Visual Studio to the MySql database. So I have two text box, name and date of birth. So we need another button to submit the values. I'm gonna name it as add. Now the CSS C sharp part of the code. We need to add two lines here. I'm just gonna copy from the notepad. I will add this code in the description. We need to establish the connection first. So I'm gonna store the database name, server name and user ID name in a string. I'm gonna declare this outside the function, so it will be accessible from inside every function. So server will be localhost, database name will be test, and user ID will be root. So we just need to create a table. So table name will be info, and first column name will be ID, which will be auto incremented. That will be primary key value. Second one is name. So we don't need to enter value for ID. Third one will be date of birth. Length will be 255. So we have created the table. Now we need to establish the connection. I'm just going to copy the code. This MySql connection command will establish a connection. It will use the con variable, which stores the database name and database server and user ID. We need to check if the connection is state is closed. If so, we need to open the connection. We need to insert it inside a try block to prevent the code from stopping in between. So table name is the info, columns are name and date of birth. I will retrieve the value from name and date of birth text field and execute the command and display the add message, yeah, or error in the catch block. Finally, we need to close the connection and clear the text box values. If we use the HTML elements, then we don't need to clear explicitly, but we have used ASP controls, so we need to clear the text box. So I'm gonna just run the program. Okay, so name will be my name. I'm just gonna enter a random value here, data added. You need to check if the data is added into the data table. There it is.